Hey, guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how you can earn $450 per video you repost without relying on ad revenue. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to make money online, then this is the video for you. So, let's dive right in. Firstly, let me explain what reposting actually means. Reposting is simply the act of sharing someone else's content on your own platform. In this case, we're talking about reposting videos on your YouTube channel. The good news is that many content creators out there are always looking for ways to get their videos in front of more people. And this is where you come in. To get started with reposting, you need to find videos that are relevant to your audience and that you believe will be well received. You can do this by browsing YouTube or other social media platforms. Once you find a video that you think would be a good fit for your channel, reach out to the content creator and ask for permission to repost their video on your channel. It's important to get permission before reposting any video to avoid copyright issues. Once you have permission, you can repost the video on your channel and add your own commentary or introduction to it. This will make the video your own and provide value to your audience. When reposting, it's essential to credit the original content creator and link back to their channel or video in the description box. This will give them the credit they deserve and help you avoid any copyright issues. Now, let's talk about the money-making part. When you repost a video, you can earn money through sponsorships or affiliate marketing. If you have a significant following, you can reach out to brands and companies that are relevant to your audience and ask for sponsorship deals. You can also include affiliate links in your video description, which can earn you a commission when someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase. So, there you have it, guys. Reposting videos on your channel can be an easy and effective way to make money online. Remember to always get permission from the content creator, credit them, and add value to the video for your audience. And don't forget to reach out to brands for sponsorships and include affiliate links in your description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips. Thanks for watching.